But the door opens the other way. The door opens this way, you can't block him.
Oh my god.
Alright, stop. No, put him down, please. Now. I don't want you. Come on, Bubba, move this stuff out of the way so Kayla can get out. Move this stuff out of the way.
No.
Why?
No.
Oh.
You're like a giant. Wow. We're like missing the movie thing. We're just in here. I'm not. You're the one holding on, not me. Caleb and his big giant self. I can't get him all the way in the video. I have to like go all the way back here, and you keep getting closer. Nom nom nom. So fun.
You want to try?
Yes.
Okay, get on.